Hi guys, this is Gary from the kitchen at home, and this is quick video. I want to show you that how dangerous things can go quickly. I have a tendonitis, I can bend my arm, and I am taking this HMB. Now started taking, this is new, from today, arrived, brand new. I just opened it. And I got this big scoop inside. Together I fish it out with another scoop, and I have a high doubt about that this 10 milliliter scoop is actually 3 gram, because this HMB need just only 3 gram per day. So if you take, I don't know, let's see, how much is this? I have a super small scale here for measuring this kind of amount of supplements, things. This is 5 gram. 5 gram. That's crazy. If you don't know this and you take this with this big scoop, then you start taking this stuff, then you overload yourself, and it's can be whatever dangerous. HMB, what is HMB? It's a metabolite of leucine amino acid, which you normally take like with the supplements anyway, because you are familiar with whey protein, whatever, essential amino acid. This is one of the ingredients, but the metabolite is what the body makes. So the HMB is like equivalent, I don't know, something like 600 gram of leucine, which is you cannot possibly take. So the HMB, why I take it, this just an amino acid extra, and because I'm recovering, I cannot even train my arm, bend my arm. I have to take this HMB. So guys, this is crazy. Like, don't ever trust your scoop anymore. This scale is cool. I'm using for measuring some small glue for my project. I need to mix two glue, you know, A and B. I'm using the small scale for that, but this for this purpose is good to check this kind of stuff. Now look, so I'm putting back, and let's test again. This is what is my scoop. I have hundreds of them there, because each of these supplements coming with a scoop. And let's see this scoop, how is it? So like full plus some percent on the top. How much is this? This is cool. So this is exactly 3 gram. This is how it's supposed to be. But how about now? So I'm just taking like the full of this 5 milliliter. So this is just 2.3 gram. This is not so good what I want to take. I want to take 3 gram exactly. So like, let's try it again. How about now? Yes, exactly. So this is what I will do. I will use this blue scoop for measuring my HMB. Bitter, this HMB. I'm mixing with this blender, but I'm using every day so many times this blender that I'm thinking about having some permanent auto. stuff is bitter. Yeah, a few things there for your safety and my safety. What do you think? Yeah, just the supplement is, I don't think it's very common nowadays to take Asian B. Not even many shops selling it. Not many brands are selling it. To be just be safe. Exactly what amount need to be taken, must be taken. I don't recommend, or I'm not recommending anyway anything, but don't take it every day. I'm not taking every day, and it's just for my recovery because of this crippling tendonitis haunting me and don't want to go away. I just keep hurting my arm because the triceps tendons gave up working after constantly overloading and busting them in the gym. Let's see how it goes. How much this helps. I don't think this is some miracle. I will make a separate video about the tendonitis